how are you? Hope you're all doing well. Welcome back to 1111 Pinoy Tarot. Tingnan natin ang romantic connection between you and your new person, or the person that you're currently dealing with, or the person na nagbabalik sa inyo. Let's see what's happening. Pwede niyong panoorin ng new moon, rising, and Venus placements. Thank you so much, Taurus. Please subscribe, comment, share, and tap the bell. Tingnan natin kung ano yung mga energies and messages for you regarding love and romantic situation. Taurus. Saan natin yun? Unfinished business, proposal, forgiveness, reconciliation. Okay, someone wants your forgiveness, Taurus. Gusto makipag-reconcile sa inyo kung ano yung mga differences. Merong gustong makipagbate, okay, makipag-ayos sa inyo. Takpan lang natin to. Kasi ayaw ng YouTube. Okay. Another energy is distractions. We have temptation, always busy, kept you waiting. Okay. It seems that someone is not giving you their full attention as well. Parating busy. Okay. Madaming ginagawa. Pinapaantay kayo palagi. Okay. And nakaka-disappoint yun sa inyong part. We have make it rain, manifesting abundance, legal matters in your favor, unexpected money, promotion, entrepreneur. Okay, you are manifesting abundance, Taurus, despite of what is happening in your love relationship. Okay, material wise, you are successful, you are progressing. Okay. May mga unexpected kayo na pera na darating or matatanggap. Merong promotion sa trabaho, or if you are an entrepreneur, you're doing well. Okay, sa inyong ginagawa, maybe a passion project. Okay. Creative project. Magiging successful kayo doon. Money or big money is coming to you, Taurus. Okay, you are doing well in your career, sa negosyo ninyo, okay, sa mga investments ninyo. Let us see what are the messages from the tarot. Messages and energies for Taurus. Ano yung mensahe for Taurus? That's your person. That's your person. Ooh. Okay. Your person feels that you are busy at work. Madami kang obligations, madami kang mga ginagawa, okay, sa trabaho mo. Aside from work, also at home, okay, madami kang obligations, maybe sa mga anak mo, aside pa sa asawa mo, sa trabaho mo. You are loaded, okay. Your person feels na kailangan mo ng pahinga, kailangan mo ng tulong. Gustong tumulong sa inyo ng person ninyo. Kaya lang may ego and pride na nangyayari. Yeah. Your person is maybe a businessman, okay? Or may mataas na ranggo or importante na role sa kanyang trabaho. Marami din siyang ginagawa. He or she is a planner, okay? Madami siyang iniisip, madami siyang inaaksikaso din under his or her umbrella, okay? Okay. Yeah. He or she is up into something to provide security and stability sa inyong life, sa inyong pamilya, or sa inyong pagsasama. Marami siya mga plans. Maybe he is also looking for lands, okay, or properties na pwede gawing negosyo. Pang long term ang iniisip ng inyong person. Taurus. He or she is accumulating wealth, nag-iipon ng mga resources for the future. Okay. Baka gusto magtayo ng negosyo ang inyong person para sa inyong dalawa, para sa future ng inyong family. He is planning, okay? He or she is being strategic sa mga plano niya. Your person is aware of your sacrifices. Sa pagod ninyo, alam niya yon. And he or she thinks na kailangan mo rin ng tulong sa inyong ginagawa. You are a responsible person. Kailangan mo ng pahinga, ng rest. Okay? But there will be a new beginning for you. Meron kang bagong pagkakaabalahan. You're up into something. Taurus, may tinatapos lang kayo. Okay? Maybe for some of you, you are resigning from work and do something solo, like a business, okay? Okay. You feel that your person, Taurus, is kailangan ng security din sa kanyang ginagawa, okay? Kailangan mag-grow spiritually ng inyong person. May mga iniisip din siya. May mga fears and insecurities. And you feel that person needs to overcome those spiritual challenges. Okay? Malakas din makiramdam ang inyong person. Sharp din ang kanyang intuition. Whatever your plans, okay, for the future, kailangan ninyong pag-usapan, mag-open up sa isa't isa. Because it seems that your person has different plans from yours. Kailangan pag-usapan all sides. Kung ano man yung mga naiisip ninyong solusyon, pag-usapan ang magiging sitwasyon ninyo. Okay? Careful na pag-review ng inyong mga options. For some of you, Taurus, kailangan nyong i-upgrade ang inyong skills o mag-learn ng mga new talents. Okay. Your person is thinking a lot. This is one thing. Parang kailangan mo ng support and tulong from your person. Okay? You are not so sure about your person. Parang insecure ka. Okay? Parang hindi mo alam kung anong nasa isip ng inyong person, kung anong plano niya para sa inyong dalawa. And you need help and support from your person. But he or she is not showing that to you because he is thinking or looking to a different direction. You are reviewing, may mga inaalam kayong information about your person, about sa relationship ninyo, anong nangyayari, and at the same time, nag-iisip din kayo ng mga paraan. Okay, money-wise, different income streams, how to be independent, okay? how to upgrade your skills and develop yourself. Okay. You two are very busy, okay? You are thinking or tinitingnan ninyo ang mga photos, yung mga memories ninyong dalawa, sweet memories, okay? Merong spying and at the same time stalking over the internet. You are getting other information. You are learning something about your person or about the situation. You are learning new skills. Getting information, okay? Kanong pwede ninyong gawin pa. You are improving yourself, Taurus, okay? And if this is connected to your person, nagre-research kayo, okay? Kailangan ng inyong pag-uusap and openness sa isa't isa. Someone needs to approach someone, okay? Or you need to approach your person, or your person needs to approach you and open up things, discuss things about you. Merong hindi pagkakaintindihan. Love is lacking, okay? Parang may kulang sa emosyon ang inyong relationship. It's all about money. It's all about career. Okay? Merong insecurities. Someone needs support. Nag-overthink. Okay? Someone is, or maybe your person, or this is you want to leave a situation, or you may want to leave to a new location, okay? Or your person is planning this. This is your challenge or your obstacles in the situation. Baka gusto lumipat ng inyong person sa ibang lugar. Okay? Somewhere na mayroong security financially. Yung pang long term na. Okay? And there is insecurity and fear in your side, Taurus. Okay? Kailangan ng inyong pag-uusap. You are learning something, you're getting information, may spying and stalking, okay? You are communicating with your friends or through the internet, getting some advice. You are researching, okay? To make things better, kung anong pwede ninyong gawin, anong nangyari sa sitwasyon. So, this is what you're doing for some of you, Taurus. Okay? You can interchange a situation. Maybe for some of you, this is the other way around. Okay? Tingnan natin kung ano pa yung mga messages for you. For Taurus, please start. The past is now behind you. Release it and embrace new possibilities. A new path is now available to you. Follow it with faith. Okay. You have to release your past experiences or disappointments and hurt. Taurus, have faith that everything will be okay. Okay, may mga bagong possibilities. If you could do anything, what would it be? The answer dwells in your heart, not in your mind. For the heart is the gateway to the soul. Listen to what your heart is telling you, Taurus. One more. Soulmate. Your soulmate is already with you in spirit. Believe this and they will manifest physically. Okay. So these are the messages for you, Taurus. Thank you so much for watching. See you on the next video. Bye.